Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything that you can get from hatching a fall egg in Grow a Garden. So this is the latest update. It's fall themed, super pretty. If you talk to Avery, you can buy the fall egg, and here's everything you can get. You can get the robin, badger, grizzly bear, barn owl, and the swan. There's also other pets you can get as well here. Chipmunk, red squirrel, marmot, sugar glider, space squirrel. You need to contribute to the fall bloom 17 times for this. So yeah, that is pretty much every animal that you can get from this new update. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.